Okay, now from here, let's go back to the left-hand side and click into Audiences, Keywords, and Content. Then go ahead and click on Keywords. And if I go down here, we can see all of the keywords that we have for this campaign. You can click on the blue button here to add in more keywords. And you're also able to change the match type here if you want to as well. And one really important thing I want to show you here is the negative keywords. You'll see that here at the top. Click into negative keywords. And this is one of the fastest ways to stop wasting money on your campaigns. Negative keywords are simply words or phrases that tell Google, do not show my ad if the search includes this. So for a cleaning company, there are obvious ones that we want to filter out. For example, we don't want people looking for jobs or careers. So we'd add negatives like jobs, hiring, careers, or salary. We also don't want DIY searches like how to, tutorial, or DIY, because those people aren't trying to hire someone. And this idea applies to any business. So for example, here I'll click on negative keywords. Then I'll scroll down. And here I'm going to type in salary, DIY, tutorial, career, and how to. So these are just a few examples here. And the best part is that you don't have to guess everything up front. You can add in more negative keywords over time by checking your search terms. If you notice your ads are showing for junk searches consistently, you want to add those words as negatives so you stop paying for that traffic. Now I'm going to scroll down here and click on Save. So I've added in my first batch of negative keywords here. Once your campaign starts running, keep an eye on your search terms and make sure that you keep adding in negative keywords as they appear.